Hi everyone and welcome back to another Lisi video. This one's gonna be the last one for a while, I guess. But yeah, today we have a set of 3 Winter Wonderland. Yeah, I'm curious for that one. I wanted to have some silvery, yeah, very muted tones because those were still missing in my collection. So let's have a look at these. Again, light. And these consist of, I hope I get them right because I looked the colors up, but I'm still not sure if they're right. Snow Angel. Okay. Doesn't want to focus. Yeah. Frost. And I think that one is Snowflake, is it? Yeah. I think they already look pretty in the pans, but let's see how they swatch. Let's put some water on there. And as always, when you water them, let them sit for a few minutes to dissolve correctly. They already sparkle like crazy again. Wow. And again, if you're wondering, because I'm using Colliros, I'm using Lisilinkas, what is the difference between these? I have made a video on that, and I will put that somewhere up in the right corner. A little video about pigments, because I think that is handy to know. So let's go here with Snow Angel. Yeah, that is just the color I needed. Silvery, I don't know, beige-ish, pink beige color. That's pretty. Really fitting for snow. And I'm still gonna try in the future and decorate my acrylic paintings with these. I tried once and I failed, but I learned. So here goes, I think, Frost. And as always, also on black paper, and then in the end on the different light, yeah, on the various lightings. But I did find out these Lisilinkas, they shine the most when you put them under sunlight. Yeah, that one is a pretty tip. Bluish, silverish, slightly going into purple. Beautiful. It's like silver mixed with morning dew from the Indian summer set, with the silver on the heavy side. So now we come, I think, Snowflake. Right, Snowflake. Curious for that one. Yeah, there is definitely a bluish tint in there. snowflake. Ah, this is light. Yeah, that one is also kind of bluish again. Yeah, okay, it's supposed to be blue. That one would look good like on the shadow side of snow or something. Definitely gonna try that there. Yeah, grayish blue. So very, very slight greenish hints. Yeah, very pretty. I love these already. So now, first show you these in the lights. And then we're gonna switch to black paper. Oh, they're beautiful. Curious how that one's gonna settle out, if there's this bluish thing in there. Because sometimes when there's... how do I describe that? Not like a dye, but a pigment that doesn't settle out in the water, but stains the water. A stain, basically. When that is in the paint, they sometimes separate a little when they settle out, when they dry. Forgive my voice, I've been up for quite a while. And I'm still not doing so well, I'm still coming out of a cold. So let's just get that one. Maybe light a bit away. Yeah, that's better. So let's have Snow Angel on black paper, and that one's already drying up. Wow. So focus. Snow Angel. Oh, these come so good on black paper. I just need to check, is there holo in there? I think there is, yeah. I couldn't be bothered to look that up. But it looks like there is. So, Frost. Yeah, these go so well on black paper. Wow, whoa, that one really comes out on black paper. Wow. Wow, wow. And the last one, Snowflake. Definitely one of my favorite sets, I would say. Yeah. Beautiful. I so need to try these on a winter painting. I really do. So, you go on black paper. Should maybe name that one. Shouldn't I? So here we are. And now we're gonna wait for that to dry. And for me it's gonna be a while, but for you I'm gonna be back in a few. so bear with me. See you in a few. So, and here I am, all back, all dry. And yeah, here they are under artificial light. This is really a beautiful set. I really can use these colors in my winter paintings in the future. Really beautiful, and that color didn't separate, which is surprising. But yeah, these are really, it just tells of the quality of these paints, really. Really beautiful. Also here on the black paper. Yeah, it's a little hard to see. Yeah, up next I'm gonna have the swatches under a foam flash, where they also come out beautifully. And yeah, in the next days, if I should find some sun, I'll do some sunlights as well. Yeah, until then, again, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, if you want to see more Lisi videos in the future, then consider subscribing. I don't know when I'm gonna do the next one, when I can get my hands on new ones. But yeah, this is not the end. Definitely not. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. And yeah, if you have to say something, if you have questions, always open for questions, then please leave a comment and please make the thumbs up, because that helps the algorithm find me. And yeah, so long. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.